in our air tool accessory section, of course, we sell many of the connectors. This, of course, is a female connector, a male connector. On this particular adapter that we've made to adapt, of course, we see that this is the auto style, the shorter stem. This is more of the industrial style. See the longer stem. Okay, now the female couplers to each of these, they have a female coupler for this style, female coupler for this style. But now on the market is a universal coupler. This particular coupler will work on either the long stem, lock into place, or it will also work on the short stem, right there.